gets cold, let's turn up the heat, yeah. With every beat we feel the night could be surreal. Could be surreal. When the beat drops down low, let it pull you in real close. Are you down for it? Tell me, are you down for it, boy? And when the lights get low, let the shadows steal the show. Are you down for it? Tell me, are you down for it, boy? I'm ready for the thrill, yeah. No holding back, it's real, baby.
So guys, it's a beautiful place and बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त व्यूज़ हैं. अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ वॉक करके उस तरफ जहाँ पे हमने जो है वो माउंटेन कोस्टर लेनी है. देन विल सी. So all the family members are walking. We are going there, and that's how it look like. Okay guys, so I am going to take the mountain ride with the kids. I have already done. उन्होंने ले ली है और अब मैं जा रहा हूँ. I got this, camera holder. So I'll put my cell phone here and then I'll go. So let's go and check it out. What's gonna happen? Let's see. There is a big queue. I need to wait in this queue and then I'll move forward. Hey guys, so I'm all set, good to go. Already fit in here. So next thing you're gonna see is all the beautiful landscapes.
It's real, babe. If you lose your way and shine through the shadows, I'm ready for the thrill, yeah. No holding back, it's real, babe. If you lose your way and shine through the shadows, baby, I'll shine through the shadows. Darling, nothing can come in between us. 'Cause your breath's the rhythm pulling me deeper. You know I'm caught in gravity, falling. I can't believe this night just belongs to me and you. Can you feel me? And when the lights get
Guys, it was an amazing ride. Hell of fun, literally. I really enjoy. Now I'm going back. So how you go back? You just need to sit on the same, small cart, and they will, pull you back like this. So I can show you. This is how I'm going back. If you look at the view, I'm still enjoying the reverse view or the backward view. It's amazing. That's how basically I'm going back. They're actually pulling this, and once I reach on top, I need to get down. So you can see. So hope you enjoy this part. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. सो गाइस, अगर आप किड्स के बिना ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं स्विट्ज़रलैंड, तो ये मस्ट विजिटिंग स्पॉट है स्विट्ज़रलैंड के लुज़र्न सिटी में. इस स्पॉट के ऊपर सबसे बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ ये है कि आपको एक ही स्पॉट के ऊपर डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज़ मिल जाती हैं जो कि एडल्ट्स किड्स दोनों के लिए सूटेबल हैं. यहाँ पे हमने डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज़ करी विद किड्स, जिसमें कि कैनन क्लिफ थी, आपकी ज़िप लाइन थी और साथ साथ माउंटेन कोस्टर. इन तमाम एक्टिविटीज़ को 3 आवर्स में फ़िनिश करने के बाद हमने डिसाइड किया कि अब हम जाएंगे वापस नीचे जहाँ हमने अपनी कार पार्किंग की थी, और उसके बाद हम जाएंगे अपनी नेक्स्ट डेस्टिनेशन के ऊपर जो कि ज़्यूरिख सिटी के पास है. और यहाँ से ज़्यूरिख सिटी की जो ट्रैवलिंग है वो ऑलमोस्ट 1 आवर 12 मिनट्स और 10 मिनट्स है. और ज़्यूरिख सिटी पे हम देखेंगे बहुत ही खूबसूरत टॉप टूरिस्ट स्पॉट विच इज़ राइनफॉल. So guys, this is the place. Its name is Grens. You can look over here. This is the place name, Grens, and this is the place where we came and we park our car. So all the activities we have done in this place. So let me just show you. So whoever comes to Luzerne in Switzerland anyone can come to this place, and you have a lot of activities. And I think so far in Switzerland, this is the cheapest place I found where I had like a lot of activities, mountain coaster, and also I found like Cannon Cliff as well, and a lot of activities for the kids and adults. So must visit this place, and you're gonna save a lot of money here compared to other places in Switzerland for sure. So let's go to the parking area and get the car from there. Guys, please note and thanks me later, if you visit Rheinfall during 6 to 9 p.m. there will be zero parking cost, and you will enjoy the most beautiful sunset of Switzerland. Okay guys, so our today's next destination is Rheinfall, which is a Rhine waterfall, and it's near Zurich. It's a famous waterfall in Switzerland. So now we are going there and we'll see the waterfall view. Let's see what's gonna happen. Let me just quickly give you a view. So it's a kind of big castle or something. It's a restaurant here as well, and maybe I think this side there somewhere there will be a waterfall. So let's see. We walk inside and we will see where it will be. So let's go and check it out. So this is a restaurant and we are walking there. Let's see. So yes, the waterfall will be on this side, and एक अंकल थे, मैंने उनसे पूछा कि is it free or not. So they said it's completely free. So let's see. Oh, let's check it out from here. Oh, it's like this. By the way, it's a very, amazing view. It's really nice. Okay guys, so we are already here. By the way, the most interesting thing which I can tell you is it's completely free. You don't need to pay anything from here. You just straight away enter and you will have this view. It's beautiful. टू बी ऑनेस्ट आई ऑलवेज थिंक कि यार काश हमारे मुल्क में पाकिस्तान में जो नॉर्दर्न एरियाज़ हैं, नारान, कागान, सवात, ये जितने एरियाज़ हैं, अगर इनका इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर अच्छा कर दिया जाए, मॉडर्न टेक्नोलॉजी डिप्लॉय की जाए और चीज़ों को मतलब डिजिटाइज़ कर दिया जाए, ऑटोमेट कर दिया जाए, और तो क्या ही बात होगी और कितना ज़्यादा खूबसूरत वो लगेगा. टू बी ऑनेस्ट, नो डाउट, अगर हम चीज़ों को मॉडरेट कर दें and we can improvise all our northern areas in Pakistan, it would be like, I think so, more beautiful than Switzerland. But anyways, we'll go and check out.
Gravity, falling, I can't believe this night just belongs to me and you. Can you feel me? And when the lights get low, let the shadows steal the show. Are you done for it? Tell me, are you done for it? Oh, I'm ready for the thrill, yeah. Don't hold me back, it's real, baby, it's real, baby. If you lose our way, shine through the shadows. I'm ready for the thrill, yeah. Don't hold me back, it's real, baby. If you lose our way, shine through the shadows. I'm ready for the thrill, yeah. Don't hold me back, it's real, baby. Move back no more. If you lose our way, shine through the shadows. I'm ready for the thrill, yeah. Don't hold me back, it's real, baby. It's real, baby. If you lose our way, shine through the shadows.
और अब मैं जा रहा हूँ नीचे की तरफ, और ज़रा क्लोज जाके हम देखते हैं वाटरफॉल किस तरह का है. सो हेयर यू गो. This is how the famous Switzerland waterfall looks like. Look at this. Guys, so let's go downstairs और थोड़ा करीब से जाके देखते हैं मस्जिद. We'll go deep down and then we'll see कि क्या किस तरह का व्यू है. So let's go there. It's a kind of mountain from where I'm going. So inside the mountain I'm just going towards. Zaina, come down. गाइस, यूजुअली पिक्चर्स में और डिफरेंट वीलॉग्स में जो आपने देखा होगा वो ये पॉइंट है जो बेसिकली सबसे मेन पॉइंट है इस वाटरफॉल का, और मैं आपको लेके चलता हूँ वहाँ पे और दिखाता हूँ. सो बेसिकली हम ये बिल्कुल बॉटम पर आ गए हैं, स्टेयर से वॉक करते करते टॉप से, एंड देयर वी गो. सो दिस इज़ द पॉइंट विच इज़ द लोएस्ट पॉइंट. This is the lowest point where you can see this. So, go from here. So while returning from the rainfall or waterfall view, you can have this beautiful restaurant at the exit gate where you can enjoy the food, and I think this restaurant is also offering the halal food as well. And there you go, your car parking area. This is about my today's day, and I hope you enjoy this video. I have spent so much time outside. I try to explore the most beautiful or most exciting places in Switzerland, which I've covered today. So 2 of the places I covered today, remaining I will be covering tomorrow. So hope you like the video. It's a huge effort, to be honest, because I walked a lot today. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel.
Lights get low, let the shadows steal the show. Are you down for it?